again, we want to thank everyone who was here. And if I may request Sneezy and Sloopy. Ay, alak ko sa mind. To say, Sloopy. Just to say a few words. Ito basta.
Yes.
All nice word ng dalawa. Bilang ano natin, last time. Tanggol ko sarili ko.
Huwag na tayo magtanong kung sino akala niyo mas matanda. Well, I mean, wala na po ako ibang masabi, but just like to thank you all. Kasi, like, yung mga stories na sinishare niyo, like, ako, at least ako, I think para sa amin, like, yung mga iba hindi pa namin naririnig, and it's like a peek to the other side ng mami namin. Yung ibang, you know, yung other facet niya. Kasi, for us, I think, hindi niya napakita yung pagiging, like, mami niya. Kasi,
nag-iyakan. No.
Anyway. Pero, I mean, kasi para sa amin magkapatid, I think she can't be a mom. Kasi she had to be the dad. Parang siya yung kailangan disiplinahan. Siya yung kailangan kumita ng pera. Kaya lagi siyang wala. So, parang, yeah, like to all of you, like, thank you kasi sa inyo, at least napakita niya yung pagiging nanay na soft, na nakikinig sa mga problema. Kasi parang sa amin, she can't. Dahil nga, I don't know, siguro she's preparing us for, you know, the world na parang, oh, hindi ka pwedeng magpaka, you know, weak and stuff. Pero, like, anyway, thank you na-appreciate nyo and na-reciprocate nyo yung love and yung care niya sa inyo. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, mga kampasen. Aray ko.
Okay, so I'm the youngest, first and foremost. I just want to say something to my mom, who I know is listening right now. I just have one request of you, and that is, please don't create another scam in the afterlife. Please don't. That's it, thank you. I'm not gonna cry like you.
Thank you. Sneezy, Sloopy, maraming salamat.